Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the structure. The compound shown is an ester. An ester has the general formula Rc is equal to O-OR. Step 2. Identify the acid-derived portion. The carbonyl carbon, C is equal to O, is attached to a cyclobutane ring. This corresponds to cyclobutanecarboxylic acid as the parent acid, giving the acyl portion the name cyclobutanecarboxy, i.e., cyclobutanecarboxylate. Step 3. Identify the alcohol-derived portion. The oxygen on the other side of the ester linkage is connected to a CH2 group, which is in turn attached to a cyclopropane ring. This CH2 group bearing a cyclopropane is a cyclopropylmethyl group. Cyclopropane plus methylene is equal to cyclopropylmethyl. Step 4. Name the ester. Esters are named as alkyl aryl group from alcohol, acyl name from acid plus 8. The alcohol-derived portion is cyclopropylmethyl from cyclopropylmethanol, and the acid-derived portion is cyclobutanecarboxylate from cyclobutanecarboxylic acid. Combining these, cyclopropylmethyl cyclobutanecarboxylate. Step 5. No alternative options to eliminate since this is a naming question with a single correct IUPAC style name. Therefore, the correct answer is cyclopropylmethyl cyclobutanecarboxylate. The correct answer is shown on screen.